Hello and welcome to the channel. Multiplan is hiring for multiple positions. However, I have found two roles that you may be interested in. So let's get into it. The first position we're looking at is for a remote customer service representative located in the United States. It's full time. However, it's classified as inbound call center, but actually it is remote. It pays $19 an hour, which comes out to be $39,520 a year. So let's scroll down. At Multiplan, we pride ourselves on being a dynamic team of innovative professionals. Our purpose is simple. We strive to bend the cost curve in healthcare for all. Our dedication to serve excellence extends to all our stakeholders, internal and external, driving us to continuously exceed expectations. We are intentionally bold. We foster innovation. We nurture accountability. We champion diversity and empower each other to illuminate our collective potential. So, you can shine with us in a customer service representative position by assisting callers in an engaging and professional manner. You will have a steady Monday through Friday 40-hour work week, 8 hours per day based off of business needs between the hours below. And here are the respective shifts available. Twice per year, employees participate in a shift bidding process and are able to select from available shifts based off performance and business needs. Earn $19 per hour and have the opportunity to receive additional bonuses based on performance. We provide an excellent paid classroom training as well as continuous on the job coaching and mentoring. We also have advancement and growth opportunities available to employees. Find more information on what it's like to be a Multiplan employee on our careers page at multiplan.com. Now let's look at the roles and responsibilities. What you'll do: resolve and input provider client request into tracking system according to established guidelines. Assign cases accordingly. Respond to inquiries received through the online customer service tools for internal employees, clients, and providers with an exceptional customer service experience. Inquiries received will only be for portal cases, and the dedicated level 2 representatives will handle account creation cases in all other cases. Provide customer satisfaction to both internal and external customers. Meet or exceed established standards on a consistent basis for quality, customer service, productivity, and service level per department guidelines. Promote and maintain a flexible, cooperative, team-oriented, and customer-focused attitude within and between departments, customers, and vendors. Identify trends and process improvements to gain call center efficiencies and quality assurance concerns. Collaborate, coordinate, and communicate across disciplines and departments. Ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements. Demonstrate company core values and values held within. Please note, due to exposure of PHI sensitive data, this role is considered to be a high risk role. The position responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be construed as all encompassing. Other duties, responsibilities, and qualifications may be required and or assigned as necessary. Here are the job requirements. Minimum high school diploma or GED, minimum 1 year of customer service experience. If you've worked in fast food, you probably have this experience. Previous call center or telephone experience in similar environment and or industry desired, knowledge of proper phone etiquette, knowledge of medical terminology, communication, ability to work a flexible schedule, knowledge of medical and claim terminology is desired, not required. Required licensure, professional certifications, and or board certifications as applicable. So if they give paid training, they'll probably certify you as well. Ability to identify problem issues and determine the appropriate course of action, ability to resolve issues, ability to effectively handle multiple tasks, prioritize and manage time in a fast-paced environment, ability to work independently, ability to use software, ability to use multiple systems for claims research, ability to work full-time, ability to work an 8-hour shift. Individual in this position must be able to work in a standard office environment, which requires sitting and viewing a monitor. Let's see. In benefits, here are all the benefits that they offer. So it looks like a full benefit package. And if you meet even 50% of these requirements and you're interested, apply. Be sure to apply. Don't be intimidated if you don't check off every box. And the second position we're looking at is for operations support specialist. So let's look at the job details. This pretty much gives you the background that I just read in the first position. So I will not read that, but I will pause so you can. We're just going to jump right into the position. The position requires the operations support specialist to assist the recovery team performing various duties when needed. The duties require an intermediate knowledge of the subrogation process. Responsibilities include sorting, scanning incoming correspondence, data entry, and creating new subrogation cases. Job roles and responsibilities: completing data entry and new case creation, reviewing claims, retrieving, imaging, and prioritizing the daily income and mail, performing ISO index searches, and identifying accidents to refer to subrogation specialists, generating and processing IQ batches with guidance for the subrogation business analyst, obtaining information such as claims and plan documents for client remote systems, processing outgoing mail and certified mail, processing incoming emails, faxes, and voicemails onto the discovery case management system, collaborate, coordinate, and communicate across disciplines and departments, ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements, demonstrate company core competencies and values held within. Please note, due to the exposure of PHI sensitive data, this role is considered to be a high-risk role. The position responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be construed as all-encompassing. Other duties as assigned apply in this job description. Now, job scope. The incumbent needs of external and internal customers as a priority when making decisions and taking action. The incumbent relies on established guidelines, policies, and procedures, allowing for little to no experience of independent judgment. Accurate and timely processing of claim documents and requests directly impact the company revenue and client savings. Job requirements: you must have a high school diploma with 1+ years of experience in an office. Prefer experience in medical claims industry. Prefer, not required. However, if you have that experience, you may beat out your competition. You should know how to type a minimum of 45 words per minute, have the ability to ask questions and uncover information as needed, basic knowledge of working computer scanners, strong communication and client interfacing skills, basic knowledge of Microsoft Office tools, required licenses. Um, they provide paid training. The assumption is they will license you. Individual in this position must be able to work in a standard office environment, which requires sitting and reviewing monitors for extended periods of time. Compensation for this role is $18.50 an hour. Specific offers take into account a candidate's education, experience, and skills, as well as the candidate's work location and internal equity. The position is also eligible for health insurance, 401k, and bonus opportunity. This position also comes with these benefits right here. So again, 1850 is not firm. That's just the starting point. If you have experience in education, chances are you will start off making a little more, or maybe a lot more. Who knows?